Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow on with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with the date. September 7th, 2023. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and identify the sound at the beginning of our names. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will build routines for reading and choosing books. Last, we will listen while others are telling a story. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, let's look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Let's look at the date. Starting with the month here, I see this abbreviation with a capital letter S, then EPT period. What does that stand for? If you said September, great job. Let's go ahead and reread the whole date at this time. September 7th, 2023. After the date, let's reread the greeting, beginning with the word dear and a capital D like D dog D. Good writers write letters to people beginning with the word dear, and whoever they're writing the letter to, they address it to that person's name and have a capital letter to start that name as well. Let's reread our greeting. Dear class family, after the greeting, let's go ahead and look at the first telling sentence. I noticed that it starts with a capital letter. Good writers start sentences with capital letters. As we are rereading today's message, notice in your mind and brain where the capital letters are within the message. Okay, let's go ahead and read the sentence again. Ready? Today is Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's a thankful Thursday. Look at the next telling sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that each day to be a portrait of a graduate. And we're going to work very hard today in kindergarten to practice being a great communicator and collaborator. Remember, good communicators speak clearly. They use their mouth to speak and their ears to listen. All right, let's go ahead and continue to read. And we're going to see the sequence of what we're doing in language arts. What we're going to do first, next, then, and last. First, we will learn letters and identify the sound at the beginning of our names. Okay, so we are going to learn letters just like we've been practicing. We'll do this every single day in kindergarten. We're going to use our word walls or resource. This is going to be the electronic one that's displayed on the screen. We're going to review the ABCs, letters, sounds. Pictures match that word, American Sign Language. We're going to look at which ones are the vowels and which are the consonants. And we're also going to be using YouTube channels like Jack Hartman's YouTube channel, Mr. B's, The Singing Walrus, and The Learning Station. So we're going to use all these resources as well as our class family A to Z list. And we're going to be able to identify letters and sounds and your names. We're going to see what sound starts that beginning part of your name. So we'll look at that first letter and we'll figure it out together at school in kindergarten. All right, let's go ahead and continue to read. Next, we will do literacy centers. Okay, so we have a lot of different things going on for literacy centers today. One of the things you are going to be doing is tracing the dotted line names. Remember, your names are in the sheet protectors. You're going to do your first name on this side, and then when you're finished, you'll be able to flip it over in the back and do your first and last name. So you're going to practice doing that, and then we're also going to be doing some box centers in class, building words. We're going to also do beginning sounds, ending sound puzzles. reading books, magnetic letters on trays. We're going to identify those letters, and those of you who are ready are going to be building some words with the letters. Oh, and we're going to be finishing the hopes and dreams paper that you started. You did an amazing job yesterday with putting a detailed information of your hopes and dreams in kindergarten. Oh, and we're going to look back. Remember, good writers look back at their writing. They go through the writing process. They revise, edit, and proofread their writing. So we're going to look back, reread what you've done, look at your picture, add details and words if necessary. Oh, it's going to be fantastic. Okay, then we will build routines for reading and choosing books, just like we've been practicing every day in kindergarten. We're going to build routines. We're going to go through how to choose a book, how to get up and how to select the book. Oh, we're going to do so many wonderful things. And you've been doing a great job every day in kindergarten. So I know that you know how to go over to the shelf and to select a book and to see where that book was and how to look at it and flip the pages and look at the pictures and words and how to put the book back in the right box. So we're going to practice more today in kindergarten. Last, we will listen while others are telling a story. Okay, so we'll listen while others are telling a story, and we're going to be looking at the circles all around us. Now, this is by Brad Montague, and the illustrations are by Brad and Christy Montague. So we're going to go ahead and look at this. Oh, it's going to be a fantastic day. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our Do You Like question of yes or no answers for today is, dun, 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 do you like Cheerios? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator. And we'll put a tally mark under yes or no and share your reason why. Do you like Cheerios?